Introducing the Milwaukee M18 Cordless Sawzall recip saw. If it doesn't say Milwaukee, it's not Sawzall. This durable Sawzall features a patented gear-protecting clutch that extends the life of the tool. The unique counterbalancing mechanism reduces vibration. The M18 Sawzall is the fastest cutting cordless recip saw available. It weighs an ultra-light 7.9 pounds, but provides plenty of cutting power for even the toughest materials. The lever-action quick-lock blade clamp offers fast, easy, tool-free blade changes. The long-lasting M18 lithium-ion battery provides the most cuts per charge. This cordless Sawzall sets new standards for portability, fast cutting, and ease of use. For superior power and rugged dependability, choose the Milwaukee M18 Cordless Sawzall Recip Saw, powered by lithium-ion, protected by DPM.